Hello, welcome back to Lilacs Wednesdays, where we look at Lilacs tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create my thumbnails using GIMP in Linux. So you'll find GIMP in the software manager. Just search for GIMP, or you can download it from their website. And once it's installed, you should find it under graphics, and there's the GIMP there. And I'll put a shortcut on my desktop. We double click on GNU Image Manipulation Program. You'll see GIMP now loads up, and this is the main screen. Now you look at it and it thinks, oh, this looks complicated. It's a bit of a learning curve with GIMP, but I've got the basics of how to make a thumbnail, and I'm still playing with GIMP, so I'm learning all the time with this. So first of all, we just put our image in the background. So I'm going to do a blue background. I'm going to go File, Open, go to my desktop, and I've put something in the Files folder. Let's do the blue background. We're going to press OK. There's a blue background I use for some of my thumbnails. Now what we need to do is we want to add some text to the screen. And I'll show you how I do the text with the outline. So if we click on the A, and you'll see here it's blue there and white there. If we click on the blue, let's make the text say green. Press OK. And we're going to click anywhere on the screen. You'll see that there's our font. You can change that there, and there's the size there. So let's make it 100. And what I find I like to do first is stick a space before I start typing anything. So we're going to type in, let's click here, how to make a thumbnail in GIMP. Now what I also like to do is put another space in and press enter. Do it a few times, and that is our text. We can then double click it or triple click it and make it bigger using the mouse wheel. Let's make it 125. We can then click here, which is the move tool, move it, make sure we click on the green, move it up to there. What we want to do now is make ourselves a outline. So if I right click on how to make down here and go alpha to selection, you'll see there we've got lines going all the way around each letter. If I press select and then press grow, and here we can put in a number. I'll leave mine as 15. We're going to press OK, and you'll see that we've now got an outline border. Now if you press here, which is the bucket fill, and we're going to select a different colour, so let's fill it in and just say blue, bluish colour, that'll do, that colour there, and press OK. Now we're simply going to click inside the area here. You see there, it's now put a blue outline. Click on there, click in there. Now if you make a mistake like that, or didn't want that, you can do edit, undo bucket fill, and then go back into the middle. Let's do that one, that one, that one, and we do the G and the P, and there we go, got some outline text. Now if you want to move the text, click on the move tool, but you'll find that when we move it, you see you've got this outline here. How do I get rid of that? Now you can even move that down. If I go edit, undo move text layer, now I'm going to click on select and then go none. Now I can move it, and I won't get that stupid outline border. Took me a while to work that one out. So we do that one there. Now you want to add some images to it. Say you wanted to add the note image that I use in the Audacity thumbnail. If I press on File and go Open as Layers, let's add the note PNG. You'll see that is a bit big. We can then obviously move that, say, down to here, and we can resize it, which is this one, the scale tool. On scale tool, and we can make it smaller, and we can just click on scale and then click on the move tool again. We'll move that one to there. Now let's add another image. So we're going to File, Open as Layers, and let's add, we've done the note, let's try adding the Audacity symbol. There we go, and press Open. You'll see there, it's on the screen. We can then click the Audacity symbol, move it down to there, again press the scale tool, make it a bit smaller, say like that one, and go scale, move it, say, let's go scale. And then click on the move tool and move it up there. Let's add one more. Again, we go file, open as layers, and let's do that one. Let's do pod, which is a podcast I used. And again, we can move it. We can do the scale tool. We can make it bigger. Again, it's gone out the border there. We click on here, can then move it. Go to scale tool again. Make it even bigger. Again, push the move tool in. And there we go. That's basically how I create my thumbnails using GIMP. Now the program is a very big program. Does a hell of a lot more than what I'm playing with here. And I've been looking at tutorials how to do more effects and that sort of stuff. And it's a learning curve, but I'm playing about with it. And that's how we create the thumbnails, or how I do my thumbnails anyway, using Linux and GIMP. Now GIMP's available for Windows, Macintosh and Linux, but I mainly use it on the Linux box because I've got a bigger screen on this, 24-inch monitor as opposed to a 14-inch monitor on the old MacBook. And then once you've got your thumbnail how you like it, you can then go File, and you can go Export As. So let's call it thumbnail test dot. We're going to leave it as .pmg. We're going to press on export. Export again. And there we go. If we minimize this and go into the files folder, and you'll see there we should have thumbnail test.png. Now, when you upload to YouTube, YouTube needs a maximum file size. I think it's 2.5 megabytes or 2 meg. And I found that when I was doing the thumbnails, I found they were coming out sometimes as 3 meg, 4 meg. So I had to use the image converter program that I did a few videos back. So I had to convert images using the terminal. So I converted it from a PNG down to a JPEG, and it went down from about 3 meg down to about 1.5 meg. So perfectly usable on YouTube. Now, if you found the video of some use and know what to do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, the other button seems to work too. But that's how I create my thumbnails using GIMP in Linux. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.